Okay, here's a tutorial in Sony Vegas Pro and the Windows Media files. So if you have on the timeline a Windows Media file or more Windows Media files and you make a lot of cuts in that video like I just did here, and if you add even crossfades just like this, so one video is crossfaded with another, and you want to start a playback, just hit the play button. Then notice these lines here, not lines, these dots, and the video is not moving at all. So that means that the frame rate of these videos will be very poor, and that's because the high compression of the Windows Media file, WMV. And to solve this problem you can do a trick. Simply go to render and at AVI use a codec, for example a lossless video codec. So let's customize a template and use the same settings as the video used. So I will use 25 frames per second, progressive, and here at video format choose Lagarith lossless codec. So that's a lossless video codec that has to be installed separately. It's not coming with Sony Vegas itself, but I render the video in this mode. I already rendered mine, and then open a new project. Okay, here's my video that I rendered in using Lagarith lossless video codec, and notice that this time it has no cuts because it's one single file. But the difference is that if I press S on the keyboard to split the video in a few places, okay, and if I even crossfade them and then try to play it, then here no dots will appear and the frame rate will be pretty high. So let's preview that one. Notice that there are no dots appearing. Let's go a little bit forward, and here at the crossfade the frame rate is pretty high, so it's not skipping at all. Okay, and I'm using, let's see here at Task Manager, I'm using a 6-core Phenom processor, and if I'm using the Windows Media file, then the processor is used at around 30% and it's still skipping. And using this codec, Lagarith, the processor is used around 70%, but at least the video is at a much higher frame rate. Okay, that's it for this tip. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.